If you want to set a PIN or password on the Xbox Series X console so that you will have to enter a PIN or password of your Xbox account in order to sign into your profile, then here's how you set a numeric passcode or a password on your Xbox Series X in a matter of seconds. To create a PIN or password, you'll need to open Settings, and after that you'll need to go to Account and select Sign-in Security and PIN. From here, select Create My Personal PIN, and you'll have to make a 6-digit PIN. Beside the numbers, you'll see which button you need to press to select that number, and you need to put it in twice. After that, it will say Delete My Personal PIN, which means your PIN is now created. Now to enable this PIN, you need to go to Change My Sign-in and Security Preferences and change it from No Barrier to Ask for My Personal PIN. And we're done. But if you want to make it more secure by enabling your Microsoft account password, then instead of making a PIN, go to Change My Sign-in Security and Preferences and select Lock It Down. Now to sign in, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account password. So let's try signing out and signing back in. Now no one will be able to access your Xbox account unless it's you. So that's how simple it is to create a PIN or password on your Series X. If this helped, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and game on.